Good morning, students. In today's math class, how much can you carry in chapter 3? Now, I come with an interesting story. The story goes like this. Raju wants to ride a seesaw. Riding a seesaw needs two players. Hmm, Raju needs a friend to ride a seesaw. Rani comes to help Raju. See, one side of the seesaw, the Raju is sitting. Another side of the seesaw, Rani is sitting. Can you tell? Is Raju is heavier or lighter than Rani? Yes, Raju is heavier than Rani. Raju is heavier as he is heavy enough to pull down the seesaw on his side. Now, how do they begin the game? For this they need the help of Aslam. Aslam comes to help them. Now you see, in one side of the seesaw, Raju is sitting, and in another side of the seesaw, Rani and Aslam is sitting. Now the seesaw is turned this way. Why the seesaw turned this way? Raju is lighter than Rani and Aslam, as the total weight of Rani and Aslam is more than the weight of Raju. So, can you tell me Raju is heavier or lighter than Rani and Aslam together? Yes, Raju is lighter than Rani and Aslam together. Now, Raju come with an idea. What he said? I have an idea. Let me keep my bag with me. Now in both the sides, they are equal. We are enjoying the ride. So students, what do we learn? All the heavier things will make the balance scale to go down, and all the lighter things will go up. Heavier or lighter. When we compare weights of two objects, we use the language heavier than or lighter than. Which of the two things will make the seesaw go down? Look at the example. There is a watermelon and there is an orange. What we learn? We learn that all the heavy things in a balance scale or in a seesaw will go down, and all the light things will go up. So, the watermelon will go down and the orange will go up. Now draw a line to match the heavier one. There is a pot and there is a bottle. In between the pot and the bottle, which one is heavier? Yes, the pot is heavier in comparison to the bottle. So, the pot will go down. In B, there is two glasses and a mug. In between the two glasses and the mug, which one is heavier? I think the mug is heavier. and all the heavy things will go down. So the mug will go down to the seesaw and the two glasses are go up in the seesaw. Now there is a mug and there is a bucket. So tell me, in a seesaw the bucket will goes in which direction? Up or down? Yes, a bucket will go down and a mug will go up. This is all for today's class. Thank you. Draw it in your copy.